This video is just showing how to simplify a Boolean expression using Boolean Algebra. So the way that I like to look at it, obviously we need to think about the different rules that we've got available to use. So one of the first rules that we probably know about is De Morgan's law, and we could look at a line across here and we can say we could split that line and change the sign. So if we split the line and we change the sign, we end up with this expression, which all we've done, I've just written down the same expression, I've just split that line and changed the sign. So we've applied De Morgan, so that's the first thing we've done. So De Morgan application. Then we can see that these knots cancel each other out because a knot of a knot just cancels itself. So we could cancel our knots out there. Second, so number 2, we're cancelling knots. And so we end up with A and B, or B and not A. So then we can look at the expression and think that, well, B is a common factor in both sides of this expression. So we could take B outside of a set of brackets, and that would look like this. So we would say B and A, or not A, in the bracket. So the third thing that we've done is find common factor. So we've taken outside of brackets. So now we've got B and A or not A. Well, A or not A is always going to be equal to 1, and that's identity. So we've looked at the identity and we've said that it's equal to 1. So now B and 1. So B and 1 will always be B. So by identity again, we have come to the answer. So our answer is B. So we used De Morgan's at the beginning, split the line, changed the sign. We cancelled our knots. We found a common factor and took outside of brackets. We then used identity for A or not A being 1. And then we looked at identity again for B and 1 always being B. And so we solved the problem.